Okay, good morning children. So in the previous class what we learned now? We learned about the rotational symmetry. What is called rotational symmetry children? The shapes and objects that look the same after a number of rotations are said to have rotational symmetry. That means what now? The shapes and objects that look the same after a number of rotations. Like see here, I told this one. Here I am keeping the dot here. Okay. Now I am turning like this. This is first turn, second turn, third turn, fourth turn. Okay. Again it will come here. So how many turns it will get the same position? 4 turns. Okay. So like that, shapes or objects that look the same after a number of rotations are called rotational symmetry. And next what we learned, 1 by 4th turn we learned. Okay, 1 by 4th turn we learned. What is called 1 by 4th turn? See here children, which shape it is? It is a square shape. Okay, it is the original position. It is the original position. Okay, now I am turning to first turn like this. Okay, so it looks the same or not? Yes. Again, second turn. Again, it looks the same. Again, third turn. Again, it looks the same. Fourth turn, it looks the same. So, one fourth means if you turn one side, that is a 1/4 turn. Okay. So, 1/4 turn, it will look the again same. Original shape will be same. Okay, that is called 1/4 turn. Okay, ma'am. Next topic is half turn. Some shapes look the same after a half turn. See here, studio page number 32. See here, this shape is given here. If you move to first turn, it will be straight like this. If you move to second turn, it will look again original position. Okay. So how many turns? 2 turns. For 2 turns, it will look the same. So look at the shapes in the table. A dot has been placed to help you observe the turns. See here, listen. Here dot is there. Now first turn you have to move. First turn it will get dot here. Okay. And again it will move to second turn. Again see here, these two shapes are same or not? So for half turn it will look the same. Original position will get. Okay. Like that, see here, arrows. First turn is looking here. Okay. And second turn it will look here. See, both are same or not? It looks the same. Okay, for half turn it looks the same. Okay, children. That is called half turn. Example, see children. It is a duster. Okay. It is the original shape. Now I am turning first turn. Is it same? No. Okay. Again I am turning second turn. It looks same or not? Original shape? Yes, it looks the same. This is the half turn. Okay, ma'am. Did you understand? It looks the half turn. The shapes look the same after a half turn. After a half turn, it looks again same. Okay. Next, 1/3. Some shapes look the same after a 1/3 turn. See here, look at the shapes in the table. A table has been placed to help you observe the turn. Shape. See here, circle is there. In that circle, 3 leaves are there. And next you have to turn to 1/3 turn, it will look again same. Okay, look at here. Suppose it is a triangle. It is a triangle shape. It is the original shape, original position now it is. Okay. Now I am moving first turn like this. Is it same? No. Second turn. Is it same children? No. Again third turn. It will look the same. Okay. So for 1/3 turn it will look the same original shape. That is called 1/3 turn. Okay, ma'am. Next, 1/6 turn. Some shapes look the same after a 1/6 turn. Look at the shapes in the table. A dot has been placed to help you observe the turns. Here see the shapes. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. So if we move to 1/6 turn, it will look again same. Again, you have to move to 1/6 turn. It will look again same. So this is the 1/6 turn. See here, this one also. How many are there? Parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are there. You have to move to here. Again, it will look same. Again, you have to move here. Again, it will look same. This is the 1/6 turn. Okay, ma'am. Now see the page number 34, children. Identify the capital letters that have rotational symmetry and draw them. Identify the capital letters that have rotational symmetry and draw them. Write after how many turns the shape look its original position. One is done for you. See here, I given here. Capital letter I. Now I am moving this one like this. What will become? Like this. First turn is like this. And again, this is the first turn. Again, moving to here, this side. What will become? Again, second turn it will look the same original position. Okay, so how many turns? This is a 1/2 turn. That is 1/2 turn. Half turn it will look the same. I is a half turn. Like that, you have to choose any capital letters. You have to choose any capital letters. How many turns it will look again same original letter you have to write. That is the homework for you. Okay, children? This page number 34. Okay, ma'am. And next companion, open your companion, all of you. Page number 13. Circle the shape that will look the same after a half turn. Page number 13 in companion. You have to circle the shapes that look the same after a half turn. Okay. Here some shapes are given for half turn which will look again original shape that you have to circle that shape. And next on the page number 14. Circle the shapes that will look the same after a 1/3 turn. So here some shapes are given. Which shapes are moved to 1/3 turn, it will look the same original position that you have to circle. Okay. Next, page number 15. Circle the shapes that will look the same after a 1/6 turn. So which shapes are turned to 1/6 turn will look the same. You have to circle those. Okay. That is the homework. So what is the homework today? In companion page number 13, 14, 15 and in studio page number 34. You have to write here capital letters and how many turns you have to write. 1/4 turn or half turn or 1/6 turn or 1/3 turn you have to write it here. Okay children? That is the homework. Now open your CWs children. Already you wrote rotational symmetry no in the CW. Now open your CWs. Quarter turn. Quarter turn. That means 1/4. Quarter turn. The shapes that look the same. The shape that looks the same after a 1/4 turn. After a 1/4 turn. Okay. Next one is half turn. Half turn. One by two, what do you call? Half. And 1/4, what do you call? Quarter. The shapes that look the same after a half turn. The shapes that look the same after a half turn. Next, 1/3 turn. 1/3. 1/3 means what? 1/3. 1/3. 1/3 turn. The shapes that look the same after a 1/3 turn. Next, 1/6 turn. 1/6 turn. 1/6. The shapes that look the same after a 1/6 turn. After a 1/6 turn.